This is exactly what we need to take care of today. You should never be able to walk up to a car and stick your foot in the frickin' wheel well, unless you like boring cars. So you guys know, we finally have been making some progress on, well, parts have been showing up, which in turn is us making progress on this car. You guys saw in the last video that we finally unboxed the wide body and gave it a quick test fit, and it looks super good. You should never wide body a car that you can do this. That's just rude. And as much as I appreciate this car being able to drive over literally any obstacle in my way, it's time we start making some progress. As always, the black and golds look absolutely beautiful, dude. It's unfortunate that the Genesis has like a separate spring and shock rear assembly, but dumb cars will be dumb cars. So as you guys have seen us use before, these are the ISC Coilovers for the Genesis Coupe. I've used ISC Coilovers on a couple cars in the past, and I absolutely love the ride quality, and I just love the design. The price point is right. Everything about these Coilovers is just good. I've chosen to just start running them on all of my cars because they're great. And you guys know I actually have a discount code for you guys. So you guys can use the code TheCommittedCrew, and you get it not only a discount on a purchase of all the coilovers on their website, but you get free shipping, which is obviously where the huge money saving comes in. They're already a really good coilover for the price. You guys won't regret it. And check these things out, dude. So these ones got the little pillow ball top mount with the adjustable camber plate, which is obviously super ideal. The rear ones are a lot more basic. You get the shorter springs and the little adjustable height screw boy thing. Not entirely sure what you call this, but ISC, of course, sends you some anti-seize lube, some wrenches, some adjustable boys for all the coils. And they also sent us some extra goodies. So this is what I was talking about. If you guys watched the WRX video, I was telling you guys that I was gonna get some of the boots. So this is one of the coolest things that ISC does. They sell little coilover sleeves. So check this out. So obviously, once these are on the car, you guys can get a better idea, but these basically just wrap around your coil, boom, boom, like so, to keep all of like the winter yuck, dust, dirt, grime out of them, which is amazing, especially where we live. Can you imagine having a car that you want to winter with these on it?
Have you ever actually wintered a car with coilovers? Because I have.
Yeah, and it sucks.
It's disgusting. One season.
Yeah, the next time you go to adjust them, like this, all these threads,
destroyed.
Gone. Absolutely gone. So this is a huge game changer. I always recommend, if you guys live anywhere with any weather at all, grab a set of these from ISC. They're super worth it.
Even if you don't have ISC coilovers, I'm pretty sure those would fit.
Oh,
and
yeah.
they'd still be a great like addition.
Dude, they come in different sizes too. So like this is the front, this is the back. And like, I guess like you said, if you already had coilovers, it wouldn't hurt just to get these. I mean, you should be running ISCs.
100%.
But if you're not, and you already have coils, you just want the boots, get the boots. So we got short boots for the back, big boots for the front, game changers. And this car just happens to come with new sway bar end links. Wow. Crazy. We're never gonna get the old ones off, just so you know.
Oh, yeah.
This is gonna be the hardest part of the whole install. Here's kind of the theme for today. Oh, dude, I love new coilovers. I believe the term for this is what you just said.
Schlam.
Going right for it. Holy, no wonder they gave us a new stabilizer. Like, look at the length on this dude. Oh my God.
Zip it. Oh my good Lord.
That's like 2x the one they just gave us. Oh, what are the odds of that, dude?
0.
When was the last time you ever took something off?
Literally not once ever.
Especially on a Hyundai? An abandoned Hyundai?
Could you do me a solid?
Maybe.
Pass me a 17.
17 what?
One of the, like, for the air gun? You gotta make...
Let me think about it. Four. Uh-oh. Four. Uh-oh. Four. Uh-oh. Well, that's where the rust was. Dude, what's the matter with you? You got no muscles?
No, I got a bunch of weight on my body though.
Apparently not enough.
Apparently.
All right, here. Let a skinny person give this a go. You're right.
What, you ain't got no muscles, bro?
I ain't got nothing, dude. Oh God, dude.
Well,
Got it.
you sure did.
You guys want to see the best part of this? Check this out. Ready? Ready, ready, ready? Oh, here, I'll put it down like this so you can see where the holes line up. Boom, boom. Line up the tops. We're talking 5 inches, dude. That's more than a lot of other people can talk about. Dude, I haven't slammed a car in a long time. You guys know that that's not really my style. I don't slam really anything. All of our cars are pretty much like a reasonable height. This is absolutely slammed right now. Look at this. This is gonna be so dumb.
This is like all the stuff I would do to my car when I was like 18 to 22. I was like, slam it, get stuck on speed bumps, love life, hate life,
yeah,
unpracticality.
We won't leave it like this. Obviously, you guys know us, but looks like we gotta pull off this mount and reuse it on here, which isn't really a big deal as long as this bolt right here actually wants to come off. Good news. This car kind of likes us today, aside from the parts where it's not.
I was expecting way more of a fight for that.
Ah, well, there you go. The rears are gonna be a little bit harder to tell how low to put them because the spring is separate. So this might take some trial and error to make it match the front, but we're gonna start with a pretty aggressive, oh, actually,
That's fixed?
that's as low as it goes. We don't have to do anything, never mind me. Gotcha. So I believe Mac and all of his, oh, you got sweaty going on.
Oh yeah,
All of his big meats right here are gonna be able to lift this, but in case things get out of hand, do as we say and not as we do. There, Poppy, after the bolt. Left. Don't do this at home. But if you're looking for a way to get leverage, I'm not gonna say this doesn't work. You know, this might move outside. I was quite worried that this would be too low, but I think we're right on track. All right, the back got noticeably cambered when we did that, so it looks like it's only, that's about -3 degrees. Oh, the front right now is perfectly zeroed. So, the one thing I did notice, and this is not ISC's thing, this is a Genesis problem. Yeah. How's a young lad like me supposed to adjust the camber without dropping the thing? I don't know. Dude, that is so nice to just look at. This car I don't plan to ever drive in the winter, but it's one of those things where like if winter comes early or like, you know, in like the late fall, early winter, sometimes it snows and then it's like super nice for 2 weeks in between. I'm still able to drive this thing in that small window or take it out early or just do whatever and preserve the life of these coils. I still have to grease it and everything. ISC sends you like a little grease pack to make sure that everything's good. Obviously, we're not gonna get this perfectly dialed in today. We got wheels and body kits and all kinds of stuff to do before it's perfect. Then I'll apply the grease and then I'll make sure that bag is on there mint. I know we're being idiots and slamming the car and being funny, but like I genuinely love these products and I'm excited for once everything's dialed in, like the longevity, quality aspect of these coils. That's not good, is it?
What?
The coilover rubs.
On the wheel?
Yeah. We'll do the trick. Good news! I'm gonna say this because it needs to be said. Stock Genesis wheels go so hard on this car.
It's not even unpractical. It's not cool enough.
Practicality, maximum low, quality coilovers. All the big threes in one bundle right here.
Dude, I really wish the corner in the light was not the bird egg blue.
It looks so good.
Stock car, stock wheels, slam.
Like I told you guys in the last video, this actually isn't the order I thought we were gonna build this car in. I thought we were gonna do all the engine work, obviously coilovers, but then all like the turbo kit and all that jazz first. Turns out, just because of the way parts and everything are showing up, we're doing things in a reverse order. So I was kind of stoked for this to be a phase. Unfortunately, it's gonna be a driveway phase for like a week or a half a week or.
But right now, I don't judge a single person out there that has a stock body Genesis
with stock wheels and they just slam it. And if they don't slam it on ISC Coilovers after using the code The Committed Crew to not only save money, but to get free shipping, unless you live in Canada, I'm sorry.
then you're not doing it right, dude. You're not doing it right. I'm excited to be working on this car again, I'm not gonna lie.
It's nice to like feel progression again.
It's nice to have taken the break to come back to be stoked about the car.
Yeah.
To be honest, I love it. I think this car is gonna be the opposite of all of my normal builds, which are like clean and simple, except the BRZ. This car is gonna turn out to be like everything that you wanna do, but isn't realistic and shit. That's how this is gonna end up. Something Mac just said too that's kind of funny is he's like, oh dude, it's sad it doesn't scrape. But what's cool is, no alignment, nothing. Dropped ISCs in, max low, stock wheels. If you start doing wheels, that's your problem to figure out. You can do whatever you want with this car, dude. Even with a low-hanging ARK exhaust. Like you can go full lock. Nothing, dude.
Guess I gotta walk home.
My challenge for you guys today to end this video is gonna be to, how do we phrase this? To just be more kind towards other people. Say hi to someone you wouldn't say hi to. Wave at someone you're driving by. Help the lady in Canadian Tire who's struggling instead of walking by her and just going, oh, well, she's struggling. Pull over when you see someone on the side of the road and ask if you can help. Even if you can't. The world kind of gives you what you give the world. And if you're always helping people and doing it, if you see people in the ditch every day and you don't pull over and ask for help, guess how many people aren't gonna pull over and ask you for help when you're in the ditch? That's kind of what I wanna leave you guys with today. I just challenge you guys to just say hi to someone. When you're cashing out, talk to the person, ask them how their day is. That's what I challenge you guys to do, is just be kinder to regular human beings like all of us are. That's all I got for you guys. Make sure you guys check out ISC. There's a lot of really good stuff coming for this car, and I'm gonna take a lot of pictures of it right now because I'm actually stoked the way it looks. That is it. That's all I got for you guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay committed.
It's so gross, dude. Welcome to the abandoned Genesis life.
I don't even know what that is. It looks like insulation.
It looks like mouse dookies.
Could be. Give it, yeah, taste test that for me.
Nah, that one I'm not doing. I'll taste test a lot of things. This is not one of them.
Stay hydrated, my friend.